Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Mridu Meglani. I'm a facial esthetician and an orthodontist, your smile specialist. Eyes are the first thing to be noticed by others when we are talking to others, and darkening of the skin around the eyes gives us tired and aging look. So let's talk, why do we have dark circles and why do we have dark skin around our eyes? So what are the reasons for the dark circles? The first reason is the thin skin around the eyes. The skin around the eyes is really thin, it's around 0.5 mm. So when the skin is thin, the capillaries below our skin, they have the pooled blood in them, which becomes visible to others, and that appears in the form of the dark circles. Then certain people have allergies to makeup products or the hair dyes or the food. All these allergies can lead to swollen and the dark eyes, and the skin around the eyes becomes dark. Third reason is the hereditary. We usually inherit these dark circles from our mothers and the fathers. Then fourth reason is the hollowness of the orbits. Some people have wide orbits, and that wide orbits, in those wide orbits, the fat deposit tends to come down. And when the fat deposit is coming down, this will lead to hollowness of the eyes, which appears in the form of the dark circles. Then some people do not take sufficient sleep, and that lack of sleep gives us a tired look, and that tired look leads to, it seems that we have a dark circles. Then last reason is certain people have iron deficiency. So if we have iron deficiency, that also can be visible in the form of the dark circles. So what are the remedies for the dark circles? First of all, we should have sufficient sleep. At least 6 to 7 hours of sleep is must in the night, and that sleep should be good sleep. Then we should lead a stress-free life. We should do meditation or various exercise. Whatever things de-stresses you, you should adopt that in your lifestyle. Then we should take a diet rich in iron and vitamin C. The vitamin C helps in the absorption of iron from your body. And even the local application of vitamin C creams, some good brands, they should be applied around the eyes, which can enhance the glow of your eyes. Then you should get treated for allergies if you have any. If you have an allergy to hair dyes, you should stop using those hair dyes. If you have allergies to any makeup products, change your makeup products. You should better go to organic products which do not harm your skin, and then abstain from rubbing your eyes, because rubbing your eyes causes damage to your capillaries, and once your capillaries are damaged, the blood gets pooled around your eyes, and that leads to dark circles. Then avoid old and the expired makeup products. Please do not use them. And then use a good moisturizer around your eyes, because if you have dry eyes or you have dry skin around the eyes, that will also give the appearance of the dark circles. Then last but not the least, you should wear, whenever you are moving out, you should wear a good sunscreen which should have a good SPF. And then you should always try to protect your eyes with the beautiful shades or the glares. And then apart from these, some people have sunken eyes because the fat deposits around the eyes has come down. For those people, we have a very good option of hyaluronic acid fillers. Those fillers can be injected around your eyes to give the fuller look, and that fuller look will decrease the appearance of the darker circles around the eyes. Thank you so much.